You just having a wee swing? Eh? Pep. You like having a swing, don't you? What? You're just having the best time, aren't you? There's a happy birdie, yes. Are you gonna have a go, Sparky? You just like chewing things, eh? You figured that out yet? Poor big fella's not as confident. Sure you're not. You're still figuring things out. Now, there's no problem with you having the best time of it all. Oh, there he goes. Good job, well done. Good boy. Yeah, he's unfortunately not as confident, but he's still figuring things out, and look, he's doing really well. Oh, now don't you be showing off. That's just mean. Yes, we know you're clever. Yes, we know you figure all this out. You're just showing off now. Big lad's trying his best. Look at that, eh? Did you find the wee seeds I had in there? Might need to put some more in. Easy there, you're okay. You're okay, you're okay. He likes his... What? Are you just telling me how clever you are? You are? You tell me you're a clever girl? I know you're a clever girl, yes. You're too smart sometimes. You're always up to mischief. Now you're telling Sparky how clever you are? Show off. There we go. Happy birdies.